Sometimes you're going to get your information in a story problem in decimal form, perhaps if the problem is talking about money. And you're going to be needing to shift it to your fractional side or your percents. So our starting place this time is going to be a decimal. Changing to a fraction is pretty easy. We're going to take the decimal portion, and that becomes the numerator of our fraction. In this case, our 7. In this case, our 41. In this case, the 63. Skipping that one for just a moment. Now you're going to take your last digit, the 3 in this case, and express the place value. 3 is in the tenths, hundredths column. So the denominator of our fraction is going to be a 100. 7 is in the tenths column, so where our fraction is 7/10. The 1 in this decimal is in the thousandths place. Our denominator is the thousands. And our 63, the 3 part, is in the hundredths column. So our 100 goes here. Our decimal point is separating the fractional side of the number from the whole number part. So 5 happens to be in the ones column. That's a whole number. So when we transfer this to our fractional side, the number is written 5 and 37. Now we're going to look. The 7 is in the hundredths position. So that's how we would show this fraction in lowest terms. It could also be shown as 537 hundredths, taking all of the number and putting it into the numerator, and then memorializing the place value of the last digit 7. So this, however, is more understandable. This is in lowest terms. Now we can continue to making percentages out of these. Our rule says to move 2 places over to the right, so this becomes 13%. 2 places over, we have to add a 0 to this one because we only have the 1 digit, so this becomes 70%. 2 places over on this one gives us 1, 2. We have another number hanging off here, so this becomes 4.1%. The decimal has to be added to this one because we had a leftover number. And in this particular one, we're going to go 2 places to the right. We're going to drag all of it over, 537%. And this is fairly ordinary. We're going to take it 2 places over, 63%.